Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm still working on the full English breakfast menu, and in this video I'm going to show you how to prepare the drinks to accompany the breakfast. To make the hot tea, I have some hot water right into the teapot. I have some PG tips. You can use any tea of your choice. I'm going to add 1 tea bag into the pot and cover to simmer for a minute before serving. You can serve the tea with some milk and sugar, or you can serve it without. For the hot drink, I've got some coffee. To make the coffee, you can just put a spoon into a coffee pot, or you can use a coffee machine. I've got the coffee machine, so I'm going to open it and add some coffee granules. Close it. I have some water in the jug. Lift up the back cabinet and pour in the water. Then place the coffee pot back into the machine and start the coffee machine.